Hello everyone. Welcome to the very first devlog of a project that is very close to my heart. This isn't just a test or a learning exercise. This is the birth of a real game. While I am keeping the deep secrets of the story hidden for now, I can tell you this. It is a 2D story-driven survival game heavily inspired by the vast and ancient wisdom of Sanatan mythology. I'll be honest, I don't have the background or professional knowledge to build a game from scratch, but that won't stop me. This is my journey from a beginner to an indie developer. Let's dive into the... So I first created a new project in Unity Hub, chose the Universal 2D because of my game is in 2D game. Then I head over to my story work and write a story with the help of AI for better understanding and clear vision. Then I create all statistics for my player, create a model of the player with AI, post it to my social media. Then I go to Asprite to make a pixelated model of it. After finishing the model, I return to my project, add 2square2D object to my game, create a new layer called ground, give the null physics, and go to an AI model to create the movement script. The script was bugged and I fixed it a lot. Then our movement is absolutely working fine. Then I go to another AI to animate the sprite. I create 3 animations: idle, running, and jumping. I tried multiple times to create a single perfect animation. It takes a lot of time, but no more than creating the animation by hand. Then I imported all animations as PNG format in my game project. Make 3 animation timeline, and we good to go. This is the end of this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to support me in my journey. See you soon in another video.